Parts.
Yeah, the assembly is going on. So basically, we have to feed the bag. We
Raw
have to
bag.
feed the
Raw bag.
bag. We have to keep here. So in bundles. So this conveyor will run it. So this bag will come here. So the pick and place mechanism is there. It is vacuum cups are fixed. So it will come and pick the bag, and it will be clamped into that bag clamping unit.
Here it will come.
This is the clamping unit. The bag will be clamped here. It will be hanging here. Bottom one more conveyor will come.
Yeah, supporting.
Yeah. And from the top you can see weighing unit is on the top. There is a conveyor. Below that the weighing unit is there.
Yeah.
We will be keeping maybe 25 kg or whatever it is.
Raw material will be put from top.
From the top. Silos, big silos, all that will be.
Yeah.
So
that is
will
not
be
your
inside
part.
that. It is not. It will be already. It will be there inside.
Factory.
Yes. So from there the material will be fed into this.
Ah.
It will be weighed. Okay. As per our set value, maybe 25 kg. The exact 25 kg will be fed into this bag.
It will be poured here.
Yes. So the bag will be automatically declamped. So it will fall into the conveyor. It will move out. It will be coming this way. So we have a stitching machine assembled here.
A stitching.
It will be guided into the stitching machine. So the top portion will be stitched. So the bag will be coming like this. So here another mechanism, it is called a bag turner. So it will hold the bag, lift it, turn it. Then the bag will be fall into this. Into this. Then the conveyor will take the bag out.
For transporting.
Stitching. Yeah,
This one is stitching. So these all will have single switch. Operator, how many
operator? He has to just push the start button.
Only one operator is sufficient. Rest of the things will take over automatic.
He has to just feed the bag, nothing else.
As per size of the bag, whatever 25, 50, whatever.
Bundle will be coming there. He has to just feed the bag. Remaining all automatic.
Batching, that will be done later on.
Sorry?
Manufacturing date or packing date, whatever.
Yes, that will be done later. That also we supplied in the last machine, but in this machine they have not ordered.
This is on customized order only, whatever they want. This is fully dismantled. In part it is.
Yes.
Different motor, different switch.
Correct.
But control panel is single.
Yeah, control panel we have 3 panels. 1, 2, 3.
So all 3 is to be operated.
One more unit is there. This is check wire. Again we will verify whether the weight is correct or not.
Okay. Oh, final whatever.
Final.
So display will be there for this.
Yes. It will be in this.
Whatever the final weight.
Yes. So if it is out of range or something, it will be rejected.
Rejected. Less weight, sometime it may come. So after a stitching, correct.
So this kind of automation, the demand is more nowadays because the
in Andhra, lot of rice mill are there. They will be using
rice mill people won't go for it because it won't work out for them. These are all